My channel. For today's video, I will be doing a full face using Colourpop cosmetics, and if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna prime our lids using this Colourpop no filter concealer, since I don't think Colourpop sell like a eye base prime, for like the eyes. So I'm just gonna do this part right here. So we're gonna just put these concealer on, and I think this is in the shade light 20, and we're gonna use a blending brush, large blending brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. So we're just gonna blend that out. See? Then with this palette, I'm gonna use this shade, this one right here. I'm gonna use that to set the concealer. Next, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush and take the shade next to the I think it's the shade Big Cocktails right here. I'm just gonna take that and just put it all over my lid. It's a pretty kind of like peachy color, light peachy color. And the next one, I'm gonna take the shade GNO, which is this one, I believe. It's kind of like a burnt orange. Just take that and put it in the outer V. Just kind of like pack it in the outer V, or I'm just gonna pack it all over my lid. So just pack the shade, the orange shade. I'm just gonna do it really simple. Put it there. And then get a crease brush, and I'm gonna take this yellow shade, which is I think the shade Mischief. I don't know. And then just also pack that above the orange color. blending together so it doesn't have a harsh line. And then I'm gonna take this shade, let's see, right here. I don't know, just and probably put that on my, yeah, I'm gonna pop that in my lid. It's a beautiful orange shimmery shade. Put that in the my lid. It's not really showing up. And then I'll be back with this orange shade. And then I'm gonna take the crease brush and take this brownish right here and put that in my outer V, just to kind of like darken up this look. Okay guys, so I already did other eyes, and I did put some lashes on, and I also used this color right here to kind of like put it in my brow bone. So moving on, we're gonna be using, I'm really excited about this because they just came out, the Colourpop just came out with this matte plus blur primer. But yeah, since I already moisturized my face, I'm gonna skip that. So they have this matte plus blur primer right here, and this is new. They just, like I said, released this one, and I think this is for $10. And right there, it's like this pink packaging, and it's really cute. And I also like the way they did the packaging, like the box. It has like the stars in it too, in the side, inside of it. And let's just see how this works. So I don't know if this is a silicone. Yes, this is for smooth, even skin and matte finish that lasts all day. So we're just gonna put this all over my face. By the way, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild stripping brush. So I'm just, ooh, it smells good. I like it. It smells like what do I call it? It has the scent. Like, I can't explain, but it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells really good. So we're just gonna prime our face. Let's move on with that. And this is, oh yeah, this is Colourpop is cruelty free. This is 0.88 ounce on it. So move on with the foundation, which is, this is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation, and I'm in the shade medium dark 120. So for this foundation, I actually used this foundation already, like I believe probably like more 8 something times, something like that. And oh my god, you guys, this is really good. And but it's just the only thing about this product, I like the quality of this foundation, because since I already worn them, and I don't know, it's just like, I'll explain it to you later, but it's just like the packaging is kind of like turned me off, because it's like the pump, it has pump, which is good, but it doesn't have like the top of it. I mean, but you can just like close it. It's just my OCD just gets me. So let's just put these on my face using this Colourpop foundation brush that it comes with when I bought this foundation, and they have like a free, like if you bought foundation, the powder and everything, they will send you like a free foundation brush. So we're just gonna use that today. Let's see. And we'll just see if primer will work with this foundation. So and I think this is, I don't know, let me go online. Let's see if I can pull it up. Yeah, so this is a developed for selfie age or the buildable full coverage natural matte foundation, delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. The oil-free lightweight formula. Yep, so this is like buildable. So I'm just doing that with my Real Techniques sponge. So far, you guys, I didn't, my foundation really sits with in my face right now, so that's really good. Just gotta keep blending. Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade light 20. So just put that underneath my eyes to kind of like highlight too. Really love this concealer, you guys. It's very creamy, and I believe this is $6. But I'm gonna list everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And right there. Just blend it. Okay guys, so we're just gonna do like a cream contour, and we're also gonna use this Colourpop concealer in the shade Deep 70. So just put that on my forehead and here, and the cheeks, and in my nose. Blend that out with this stripling brush. Okay, so we're gonna set our face with these Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Yep, I believe. And just set underneath our eyes. I'm not gonna bake, we're just gonna set these face. And then we're gonna do this reverse contour. I already used this the foundation, I guess, like I said earlier, the powder, this translucent powder and the sheer powder right here. I've been using them since I got them in the mail, and I gotta tell you, they're really good, and for a cheap price. They're bomb. And then we're gonna take a total face brush, and this is from e.l.f., and use the sheer powder, pressed powder from Colourpop in the shade medium. I get the shade medium and set the rest of my makeup. Take my other brush and just sweep away the translucent. Wow. Wow. Every time I use this powder, I'm just shocked. The combination of the foundation, the concealer, the translucent powder, and this powder. They're really stepping up their game. Damn, okay, Colourpop, let's see. Okay, for bronze, I'm gonna bronze our face because we're looking all plain. So I'll be using this bronzer, and I think this is in the shade Private Party, I believe. Yes. So I'm just gonna get this, and then right there, and we're gonna bronze up our face using this BH Cosmetics, my all-time favorite, in 124. I'm gonna bronze our face. It just doesn't have the smell, so it's good. And then we're gonna bronze up, or kind of contour this nose using this bronzer. Same thing. Not too much because it's really pigmented, guys. So connect it with my shadow, so I'm just gonna have it natural. So, kind of like this bronzer. I really like it. Let me just do this one again, just to kind of like have that snatch. Okay, I know I did it already, but let me just put it in. And then we're gonna proceed to blush, which is, this is the Colourpop K-Pop Flush. This is their Super Shock Chic Matte Blush, and we're gonna use them today. And take this blush brush from Real Techniques, my all-time fave. I'm gonna pop that blush in my cheekbone, like upwards. This is just giving me that red, like peachy, very peachy vibes. Gotta like smile. And also like putting blush in my chin. Kind of like right here, so have that kind of like drunk or like effect, like is that drunky blush or something like that? So I'm gonna put that right there. I'm living. Okay guys, so next one is for highlight, and I'm gonna be using this K-Pop Glow Up Super Shock Chic highlighter. It's very like dark rose gold highlighter, and I'm just gonna use my my fingertip, and it's very creamy, guys. I didn't even. So I'm just gonna like. So I'm gonna take that and put it the bridge of my nose to highlight, and my cupid's bow, my chin, and to finish this look, we're gonna put some lipstick on, and this is the Colourpop Luxe lipstick right here. This is also new, and ooh, look at packaging. She's heavy, but she's just light. So I get the shade Mind Trick, which is this premium. What? They got a star printed in the lipstick, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but I didn't get the lip liner. Well, actually, I do have a lot of Colourpop liquid lips before, but then, you know, they got expired because I have like too many of them. Some of them, when I was in California, I gave it to my friends, and some of them I gave it to my sisters. So yeah, and I'm gonna use this one for today. Just okay, and then just this way. So, oh, she got orange. It's really hard to do if you don't have a lip liner on. And it's very creamy. I like it. Okay. But don't worry, I'm gonna list everything below like I said earlier. And then just to finish up and set all this makeup, I will be using this All-Star Face Setting Spray. And then right there, I don't know if, shake me up gently, hold the arms and away from the face, and spray, spray, spray. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. It said shake me up gently. Just gonna shake it gently. And that's the smell. It's kind of like a peach. Ooh, I really love this look. It turns out so pretty good. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys like it as much as I did. That's it for the video guys, and I really hope you guys like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video also, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.